I hope y'all are ready to do some cash stuffing today. I'm ready. And I have 7 savings challenges that will help you. And today's savings challenge is an easy one. It is working with small amounts of money. And it is a 52-week savings challenge. And we're saving money for an emergency fund. So you'll have some money to tap into when an emergency comes. So join me and stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2026. Let's save more money in 2026, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video? Because there may be someone that can use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. And you'll be happy when you have some money to tap into when an emergency comes. They come and they can't be avoided, but that's okay. We want to be ready. Yeah. I have 7 savings challenges in today's savings challenge number 1, which I do on Mondays. And what you need is a nice container. It doesn't have to be this one, but this is a container that I got from Walmart. I think it's around $14, $15, something like that. It was full of water. I bought it, brought it home. Brought it home, poured the water out, let it dry real good. And what else you need is this. Money. You need $21 bills. Last year, this was stuffed with $10 $1 bills. And the year before, $10 $1 bills. You know, it took 2 years to save $1,000. Yeah. If you followed me, you would have did the same thing. So, this is $21 bills, and we're going to be doing this stuffing this money in here, and this is considered cash stuffing. Yes, it is. And like I said, it's a 52-week savings challenge. So you want to save at least $1,000, and that'll cover a emergency up to $1,000. Okay. Now, if you can't, sometimes you have to go at a different pace than someone else, depending on your financial situation. Now, don't put yourself in any bind doing this. Do what you can, when you can, and how you can. Okay? All right. Yeah. And then, so you want to save at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. I mean, you don't want to put that in here. You want to put that in the bank. You know, in case something like this happens. If you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses and something like this happens, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your life insurance, and buy food. It's nothing worse than being in this situation when you, if things like that happen. You don't want to be in this situation. And you don't want to have to run out and get one of these, and run up a bunch of these, because this is this. We want to stay out of this, and we want to stay out of this, because we pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Yeah, we don't want to be giving, that's giving money away. Yeah. Now, this is good because this can cause us to become financially free and have passive income. Yeah. And this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation, because it is working with small amounts of money. This is $20. And in a month, that's $80. Now, like I said, if you can't do that much, do what you can. And this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation, because it is working with small amounts of money, like I keep saying. And what will help you if you do whatever you can to come out of this. This can help you also to save money for emergency, your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. And this can go towards your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Like if this was $500 and this was $200, that's $700 a month. That's almost $1,000. Yeah. Okay, so, and another thing that will help, live on less than what you make. Watch your spending. Stand out of this. Have good behavior with money. Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. Yeah, because it is a tomorrow. Okay, and also go to the grocery store and buy food and meal prep. That will help you have food instead of eating out, because eating out is expensive. Yes, it is. And if you're a person that likes to go to this place, you can buy this while you're at the store. This and other coffee, and you'll have more coffee and spend less money. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and read our daily affirmations that we have. The Bible teaches us call those things as being out as though they were. Death and life is in the power of our tongue. We can literally speak things into existence. We have to believe it, receive it, expect it. Okay? So, I decree and I declare, Lord, sons of money, now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare, I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare, I am debt-free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare, I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare, my checking account and my savings account balance is, and speak what you want it to be. I decree and I declare, all of my bills are paid. All of my needs are met. I decree and I declare, I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare, I am financially free. I decree and I declare, I am a money magnet. I decree and I declare, I am a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire right now in the mighty name of Jesus. Yes, start visualizing it. Start seeing it. Like, say, for instance, you want to move somewhere. See it in your mind. Because if you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Yeah. Okay. I didn't count this, did I? Okay, let's go ahead and count this right quick, and I'm just going to put it all in there together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. $21 bills. Okay, let's just put half in first. Yeah, let's do it that way. All right? Okay? Yay! This is a fun savings challenge. I've been told you make saving money fun. Yes. Ain't nothing wrong with having some fun. Okay, let's go ahead and record. Okay, make sure this pen writes. Okay, today is Monday. January the 12th. Is that right? Is today January 12th? Yeah. Okay. This is our money bottle savings challenge. We put in $20. And last week it was $20, so the total amount is $40. Yeah. Okay. So, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope you all have a safe, wonderful day. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenge. And let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day. And happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video. Oh, you know what? Somebody asked me, how you going to get the money out? I hope you're watching. So let me show you. See these? These are hair cutting shears. All you do. Now, I'm not going to do that. I'm gonna cut this off. Get a electric saw and cut the bottom off. That's what I'm going to do. But this is how you can get it out. Pull that like that. See? Easy peasy, but I think that'll take all day. And I ain't trying to do that. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for dropping by. Y'all have a safe, wonderful day. And happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.